Hello everyone, this is Dr. Asra Sabha, oral physician and radiologist from the dental department, Premier Hospital. Today I am here to shed a light on one of the most common treatment modalities of the dental treatment, that is root canal treatment. Now, what is root canal treatment? It is a dental procedure where we clean and the dental pulp. The dental pulp is nothing but a pulp that is present inside the tooth. If there is any infection of the pulp, we have to deep clean it, and that is called as a root canal treatment. Now, when do we require the root canal treatment? There are multiple scenarios or the conditions that require this treatment. First is if the tooth is beyond repair, that is, if the dental cavity extends into the pulp, then we will have to deep clean the pulp and then we have to restore it. The other condition which requires this root canal treatment is if the fracture, there is a tooth fracture. And the other cases that require the root canal treatment is if there is any trauma to the tooth, that is, there might be an internal inflammation or infection inside the tooth. Now, what are the signs that shows that the tooth requires root canal treatment? The first is there might be severe pain or sensitivity, and there might be the dental discoloration. The tooth discoloration might also be there. Now, how do we do it? What do we do in this root canal treatment procedure is that first we take an X-ray of the dental tooth, then we examine the surrounding tissues, then we anesthetize or numb that area. Then once what happens is when we open the cavity, deep clean the pulp, and then we disinfect it and we fill it up with a biocompatible material. Once the canals are clean, then we restore it with a crown. Now, what will happen if we don't do it? What will happen is the infection, if it is beyond repair, it can spread to the other surrounding tissues and it can form an abscess or a pus. And if it is still left untreated, it can spread to the other body parts and there might be a bone loss or the tooth might be losing. So this in turn will lead to the loss of the tooth structure. The tooth which can be restored without removing, if it is left untreated, we might have to do the removal. Now, I just want to conclude saying that the root canal treatment is not an extensive procedure or any scary procedure. It is a simple procedure that will help you retain the tooth and keep the tooth infection free. For any queries, feel free to contact us.